What an honor it's been to serve you over the last 2 years. This is my last parade as your state assembly member. And so it's truly, a pleasure to be able to do it in my own hometown here in Granada Hills. I've known Dr. Melnick for a few years, a number of years. And this is fantastic to be able to be here. But we actually have a little bit of a surprise presentation. And that is, this person is not expecting this, but the California State Legislature puts together these very, very nice resolutions. And it's really and truly a recognition of great service to a community. And it's really an honor to at my last parade, be able to give a certificate like this. Because this person, as you all know, is incredibly deserving. Because Mary Turner has done so many great things. Do you all agree? In this community. Mary, come on up. Now, there are 6 whereases. Look how beautiful this is, folks. Right? There are 6 whereases and 1 resolve. And I'm not going to read them all, but suffice it to say that someone who takes upon themselves to clean graffiti and organize Grub Fest, and that's what this is primarily about, but we know it's about so much more than Grub Fest, isn't it? And we wanted to recognize you and say thank you as a community and as an assembly and as a state, that we recognize your incredible contribution. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, beautiful. Put down a little bit so we see your beautiful face. Okay, good. Wonderful. I got it.
You got it? Congratulations. That's all yours. And we have a nice box so you can
Yes, you can
secure it.
Yay, Mary.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.